welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey, Carr.
What up, Mel?
What up? I need you to tie this nut on there.
Just onto the end?
Just tie it on the end, and I'll show you what we're gonna do.
Like any particular way, or just any way that
kind of sort of at the
nearest to the end?
Yeah,
okay.
nearest to the end.
I think I could do that.
Pretty simple. So I got one nut there, and I got like about, what is this? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So this is the heavier side.
I don't understand what I just made.
You don't?
Nope.
Well, you know what? Let's go. Let me show you what we're going to do.
Okay.
We're going to do a looping pendulum.
This is a looping pendulum.
Yes. Let me tell you how it works.
Okie dokie.
Shall we do it?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Mel, this thing is so cool.
Wasn't it cool?
Yeah. I absolutely love it. It was so neat how it just kind of caught itself in a way.
Right?
Yeah.
It stopped before it fell to the ground, right?
And like all this weight and then this little one.
Exactly.
I would not have predicted that would have happened.
Well, if you thought that was cool, just try it with a light.
Oh, a little LED light.
Yeah, we're going to use the battery though.
Okay.
Okay? And then we're going to tape it on.
Okay.
So let's like get that going over there. Look at that. Then we have to tape it on here.
So if we're putting a light on here,
yes,
we're going to turn the lights off.
We're going to be able to see
Oh, this is going to be so cool.
the loop actually happening. So
all right.
We are on. Ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
All right.
Whoa.
This was awesome. This is easily one of my favorite new things. Guys,
Super
if you
cool.
liked this project as much as I did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And as always, subscribe down below for more hands on science.
Bye.